because of this pursuit of comfort, I'm convinced that many of us, including myself, have missed out on spiritual growth and opportunity. Think about it like this. Everything that's been invented in the past 50 years has become less effective but more comfortable. Yeah, you could buy a lawnmower. You can spend $5,000 on a brand new zero-turn lawnmower that has a chair like you're in first class on Delta, but the thing's going to break down after 2 seasons, right? We say things like they just don't make it like they used to. Right? We say that all. We recognize this, but what we don't recognize is this is also true of us, because what causes growth and resilience is not comfort, but discomfort. Guys, spiritual growth hurts. The world tells us, or culture tells us, that money, success, and security, or possessions, equal comfort. And so we decide, growing up, that if I'm going to be successful in this world, I need to be the most, both physically and emotionally comfortable as I possibly can. But the kingdom of God says that discomfort equals growth.